Hello, how you doing? I'm gonna do some chicken fried rice today. I'm calling this Mexican, but anyone who's Mexican, don't call me and tell me it's not Mexican. It's a kind of Mexican-esque, shall we say. It's a beautiful, lovely fried rice with some red beans, chicken, some veg, and lovely spices, of course. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. All right, so over here I've got rice. I've got 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. I always think that cold rice fries better than hot or warm. Up to you. 2 cups of red kidney beans. I got those from a can. If you're going to get them from a can, wash them out nicely in some cold water, rinse them through. Chicken, 2 cups again. Cut it quite small there. I'm using breast chicken, no skin, no bone. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then I'm adding to mine bell peppers, carrots and green onions, or spring onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. And I've got about 1 cup each. Quite a lot of spring onions in this one. Maybe you don't want to put that much, but I love it. And then over here, we've got a teaspoon each of chili powder, paprika, oregano, and cumin. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're gonna need a frying pan, skillet, or a wok type thing like I've got. The heat's on, I've just put it on. I've put it on above medium. In there, I've got some oil. I'm using 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil today. You could use something different if you want. Let's drop in 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and while I'm here, I'm going to get my carrots in because they take the longest to cook. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper, and we're going to go for about 3 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to add our chicken. 2 cups in total of chicken cut nice and small. Breast chicken, no skin, no bone. And again, we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes this time, stirring often. Okay, fabulous. Now this chicken's going to cook really quickly, obviously because it's cut so small. We're now going to go in with our red beans, our bell peppers, and let's get some spices in there. So let's just take another look, shall we? So we've got equal parts there: chili powder, paprika, oregano, and cumin. Now, when you buy one of those kind of Mexican spices or that kind of taco seasoning, that's basically what it is. Plus they put loads of other kind of nonsensy chemicals in it, but yeah, that's kind of what it is. So you can use that for many different things. Let's go for another 3 minutes on this high heat, stirring all the time. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Now rice time. So I've got 3 cups of rice here. Like I say, always try and use I always say this, a cold rice. You don't want hot rice in there. Doesn't really kind of fry so well. About 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat up to maximum now. Stirring away. See you then. Excellent stuff. Off goes the heat. I'm going to get all of those green onions now. I like quite a lot on mine. Bit of cilantro, coriander. Works wonders in this. And optional, I've got a few jalapenos there, so I'm just going to, fresh jalapenos, I'm just going to get a few of them in the mix. I'll hold a few back for the top. Give that a little mix. Let's get that on a plate. Absolutely delicious, easy, beautiful rice. Okay, there you go. Nice little bit of fried rice there. Nice chicken, fried vegetable rice. A little bit of spice in it. Beautiful stuff. Please take time to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. I do actually read and answer as many of the comments as I can. You keep safe, you keep well. Lots of love.